Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the VVT solenoid, also known as variable timing solenoid fuses and relays, we'll explain where you can find them. If you need to buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, the good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays for the VVT variable timing solenoids. We will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer. We'll be working two fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the driver door. Here, if you come in the footwell compartment, that's a parking brake paddle here. Look behind it on the left side, up in the dash, you will see a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull that cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here what we need to check. So if you come here, guys, okay, we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box, and if you come in that row of fuses, that fuse number 18, that's the fuse that you will need to check. Then you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, that's on the driver's side, that's the car battery. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs, pull the cover up, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Here, guys, what do we need to check now? Multiple fuses. One of them, fuse number 67, right here. Okay, all these are for main engine management, so you need to check all of them. 68, 69, right here will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 86, right here. Fuse 90. And you need to check relay 66 right here. All these fuses and relays will need to be checked if you have problem with that component. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.